Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to remove friends on Monopoly Go. So if you want to go ahead and try to unfriend someone or remove them as your friend on Monopoly Go, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So as you can see, we're currently onto the game right now, and if you press onto go, it will go ahead and roll in the dice, and it will go ahead and move your icon across the board. So you should be able to receive some rewards as well for that, or some activities to do right after you had or you have placed your icon onto specific places. Now to remove a friend, just click onto the friends icon onto the bottom part in there. And then once you're already onto the friends, you should be able to see in their leaderboard. So you'll click onto leaderboard and click onto friends. And then you'll just have to choose onto which friend you want to remove. So you click onto them and you should be able to see the remove icon. Just click onto remove again to go ahead and finish it. And that's just basically it onto removing friends on Monopoly Go. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.